Alright, today we're going to be making a delicious seared scallop in miso sauce. So to start with the miso, you're going to want to dice 1 medium shallot and then smash 1 garlic clove. Now don't worry too much about your chop, as it's all going to go in the blender along with 2 tablespoons grated ginger, a half cup of avocado oil, 2 tablespoons honey, 2 tablespoons rice vinegar, half teaspoon sesame oil, and a 1/4 cup white miso paste. Then blend until smooth. Now if it seems to be a little too thick, just add a little bit of water. Big thing is, I just want to be able to put this in a squirt bottle so I can have a nice presentation. Now we're going to take some large sea scallops and we're only going to season with salt and pepper about 30 seconds before cooking. This is really important, as if you let them sit, they can dry out. Then you're going to add some avocado oil to a large nonstick pan that's been sitting on medium high until nearly smoking, and then add in your scallops. Just make sure not to crowd the pan, as we want an even cook. And we're only going to cook this first side for about a minute, and then we're going to flip and cook for another 45 seconds to a minute. Scallops cook really fast, and we're going to want to pull them immediately just to avoid any sort of overcooking. Now I think this dish goes great with some white jasmine rice, and a little trick I like to do is put the rice into a biscuit cutter, compress down, and then you'll have a nice puck shape. You can also use a cup measure if you don't have a biscuit cutter. For this presentation, I'm just doing 3 scallops, and then we're going to do a couple dabs of miso in between. Now I can assure you, after I took pictures for this, that I did put plenty more miso all over the dish. And your final step is to garnish with some black sesame seeds and the top of a green onion, and your scallops and miso are finished. If you guys liked the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.